Welcome to Research and Library Basics from the RLB Library. This video will give a short overview of basic library services for students and how to access them. This will include basic searching for materials in our collection, as well as services to order items from other libraries via interlibrary loan, tutoring and writing support, and help with research. So let's get started. The main place you're going to search is right here. It starts with the tabbed search, the first one of which is the library search. This is a good place to begin looking for information on most topics, as it searches several different databases that RLB subscribes to. Often your search results will have a variety of types of sources, including both scholarly articles and what's called research starters. These give overviews from a general topic and are drawn from reference works like encyclopedias. So I searched for fish. Just as you can see, it's at the top of the list. And if we look at it real quick, it gives a real good overview of fish. So there are two other basic ways that you can search by clicking on the appropriate tab. The first is Books Plus, which is a little bit more helpful if you really want to focus on books. And then Special Collections, which lets you learn more about the materials in the Archives and Special Collections Department at RLB, which has a strong focus on local civic history. It's also possible, if you want to, under library search, to search one specific database that the library subscribes to. That will, if you click on databases under the search bar, it opens up this list and you can search whichever you wish. So that was basics of searching. Some other things of interest. To the right of this big search box, you'll see this list of links for students, the first of which is interlibrary loan. This is the way that if RLB doesn't have an item you need, you can request it to be ordered from another library. Often the material is delivered in less than 48 hours, except of course if a book needs to be physically shipped here. You can also see the list of, to the left or the right, current reserves. If a professor has placed a textbook or hard copy material on reserve for in-library use, you can look at it there in the current reserve list. Items that are on reserve for class electronically, like PDFs of articles, those are available through e-reserves in Sakai. So you know a little bit about searching for basics, you know a little bit about some other library services. What if you need more help about different kinds of things? Well, there's the Ask a Librarian feature, or you may have noticed this Chat Live button lurking on the right side of the screen. You can check that out for 24/7 chat support. It has built-in features to help us follow up later if you need more assistance. And you can also access this and other ways of reaching out to librarians for research help by clicking the research help link at the top of the screen. Similarly, the library is also the home of a lot of student support services like tutoring, the Writing Center, math and statistics support. You can learn a lot more about them on this page, but most of them are booked through the appointment tool that you can find after logging into My UBalt. That appointment tool is also how you can reserve study rooms in the library, which are otherwise available on a first come, first serve basis. So that's some real quick basics about how you can use some of the library services. If you have more questions about what we have to offer you, you can email us at library@ubalt.edu, or you could maybe check out our growing list of frequently asked questions. So we look forward to helping you on your educational journey.